Hi, I'm Lionel, this is techloto, and this is my reliable review for the Raven original scanner. I've had this scanner for a few months now, and I'm finding it extremely useful, especially as I'm starting to scale up my business. I've already covered how easy I found it to set up the Raven scanner in my unboxing video, so I'll leave a link in the description video just so that you can get to that. I find the Raven scanner fantastic because you can use it in so many ways. You can scan straight to your email, to a USB, to the Raven cloud even. And the ease of use is just fantastic. It's really useful to be able to scan your documents in different formats. I can change the details, the file size, I can make it grayscale or color. And the beneficial thing is, once you've scanned your document, you might have scanned it the wrong way around, you might have arranged it incorrectly. The great thing about the Raven scanner is that you can edit the document straight from the scanner. So I can rotate the pictures, I can crop it, I can make adjustments, decide whether I want to separate the documents, or even reorder them. That's a fantastic help if you're trying to get things done, get it done quickly, but also get it done in the right way. I find the Raven scanner so helpful because it just stops me from having lots of documents lying around, especially when you're trying to start a business and you're thinking, okay, I need to get all my documents in place, all my receipts are in order. It's nice to be able to have a reliable scanning system where the text is also detectable. With the Raven scanner, you're not just in a position where you're scanning pictures to your files, you're actually scanning these documents and the text on the documents is searchable. So if you have a 14-page document and you're trying to find a piece of information, you can just press Ctrl F, find what you're looking for, highlight the text even, copy and paste. It's fantastic to have this feature. I also really like the design. I like the fact that it has a modern design that can fit into my studio without making everything look cramped and ugly. And with the sleep button, I can quickly access the scanner. Personally, I make use of having Wi-Fi on the scanner. It's great that I don't have to have lots of wires sticking out of the back of the scanner. I just plug it in, the wires are hidden away, and it just fits in. It fits into my space, whether it's in the sitting room or the bedroom or a certain part in the studio. I really appreciate how useful it is and how easily it fits into my space. As I've said before, I found the Raven scanner to be really useful when it comes to keeping my documents organized, especially as I'm developing my business. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, remember to like and subscribe to techloto. Visit the Patreon page to support the channel, and don't forget to visit the website.